In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as a PDF in Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click to open the email or conversation thread you want to save as a PDF. In the top right corner of the email window, click the Print All icon, which looks like a small printer symbol. This will open the Print Preview window. In the Print Preview panel, click the Destination drop-down menu. From the list of available options, select Save as PDF instead of choosing a physical printer. Next, review the Pages section. You can choose to save all pages, only odd pages, only even pages, or set a custom page range depending on what you need. Click Layout and choose either Portrait or Landscape based on how the email content fits on the page. Then check the Color option and choose whether you want the PDF in color or black and white. Click More Settings to expand additional options. Here you can adjust the paper size, set pages per sheet, modify the margins, or adjust the scale if the text appears cut off in the preview. You can also check or uncheck the options for headers and footers or background graphics, depending on whether you want to include details like dates, URLs, page numbers, or background styling. Once everything looks correct in the preview, click the blue Save button in the bottom right corner. A file window will appear. Select the folder on your computer where you want to store the file. Enter a file name and then click Save to complete the download. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!